Are you an entrepreneur looking to take your business online? Or perhaps you're an aspiring e-commerce enthusiast eager to dive into the world of online selling. Either way, Shopify is a platform that has revolutionized the way we approach e-commerce. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of this powerful platform, offering a comprehensive guide that will equip you with the knowledge and tools to succeed in the ever-evolving digital marketplace. Shopify has emerged as a game changer, simplifying the process of creating and managing an online store, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a seasoned retailer looking to expand your reach or a budding entrepreneur with a brilliant idea, Shopify provides the foundation to turn your e-commerce dreams into reality. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey as we demystify the world of Shopify and unlock its vast potential for your business success. So first of all, one should ask, what is Shopify? Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that allows businesses of all sizes to create, launch, and manage their online stores with ease. From setting up a visually appealing storefront to managing inventory, processing payments, and shipping orders, Shopify streamlines the entire e-commerce experience, making it accessible to entrepreneurs and retailers alike. This powerful platform is designed to cater to the diverse needs of online businesses, offering a comprehensive suite of tools and features that simplify the complexities of running an e-commerce venture. With Shopify, you can say goodbye to the hassles of building an online store from scratch or managing multiple systems, as it provides a centralized solution for all your e-commerce requirements. Whether you're a solopreneur or a large enterprise, Shopify's scalable and customizable nature ensures that your online store can grow and evolve alongside your business. The Shopify ecosystem. At the heart of Shopify's success lies its robust ecosystem, designed to cater to the diverse needs of online businesses. This ecosystem consists of several key components. The Shopify platform, the foundation of your online store. The Shopify platform provides a user-friendly interface with customizable templates and a range of powerful tools to help you build, manage, and optimize your e-commerce venture. Shopify App Store. Imagine a digital marketplace brimming with thousands of apps and integrations designed to enhance your store's functionality. The Shopify App Store offers a vast array of solutions, from marketing and analytics tools to inventory management and shipping integrations, empowering you to tailor your online presence to your specific needs. Shopify Partners. Shopify has cultivated a thriving community of experts, including designers, developers, and marketing professionals, who can assist you in creating a truly unique and engaging online experience for your customers. Shopify Experts. For those seeking personalized guidance and support, Shopify experts are certified professionals who can provide tailored solutions from store setup and migration to ongoing maintenance and optimization. This vast network of Shopify partners and experts serves as a valuable resource, offering a wealth of knowledge and expertise to help you navigate the intricacies of e-commerce. Whether you need assistance with design, development, marketing, or any other aspect of your online store, you can tap into this community to access specialized services and solutions. By collaborating with these professionals, you can unlock the full potential of Shopify, ensuring that your store stands out in a crowded online marketplace and delivers an exceptional customer experience. Getting started with Shopify. Setting up your Shopify store is a breeze, but before you dive in, it's essential to lay the groundwork for success. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Choose your plan. Shopify offers a range of pricing plans to suit businesses of various sizes and needs, from the basic Shopify Lite plan to the advanced Shopify Plus for enterprise-level operations. Set up your domain. Secure a memorable and professional domain name that aligns with your brand and resonates with your target audience. Customize your storefront. Shopify's intuitive interface and vast collection of themes and templates allow you to create a visually stunning and user-friendly online store that reflects your brand's personality. Add your products. Populate your store with detailed product descriptions, high-quality images, and comprehensive pricing information to ensure a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Configure payment and shipping options, integrate secure payment gateways, and set up shipping rates and methods to streamline the checkout process and ensure timely delivery of your products. Market your store, leverage Shopify's built-in marketing tools such as email campaigns, social media integrations, and search engine optimization, SEO features, to attract and engage your target audience, scaling your business with Shopify. As your business grows, Shopify offers a range of advanced features and tools to help you scale your operations seamlessly. Inventory management. Shopify's robust inventory management system allows you to track stock levels, automate reordering, and manage multiple locations effortlessly. Shopify POS. Expand your reach by selling in person with Shopify's point-of-sale POS system, enabling you to sync your online and offline sales channels for a unified shopping experience. Abandoned cart recovery. Recapture lost sales and boost revenue with Shopify's abandoned cart recovery tools, which automatically send reminders to customers who have left items in their virtual shopping carts. Analytics and reporting. Gain valuable insights into your store's performance with Shopify's built-in analytics and reporting tools, enabling data-driven decision-making and continuous optimization. Shopify Plus. For enterprises and high-volume businesses, Shopify Plus offers advanced features such as customizable checkout experiences, real-time carrier calculations, and dedicated support. The power of Shopify apps and integrations. One of Shopify's strengths lies in its extensive app store, which houses a vast array of third-party applications and integrations designed to enhance your store's functionality and streamline your operations. Here are just a few examples: marketing and SEO apps. Boost your online visibility and drive more traffic to your store with apps that optimize your search engine rankings, create targeted ad campaigns, and automate your email marketing efforts. Inventory and order management apps. Streamline your inventory management processes and ensure seamless order fulfillment with apps that integrate with your existing systems and workflows. Shipping and fulfillment apps. Simplify the shipping process and provide a seamless delivery experience for your customers with apps that integrate with major carriers and offer real-time tracking and notification features. Accounting and tax apps. Maintain accurate financial records and ensure compliance with local tax regulations by integrating your Shopify store with popular accounting and tax software solutions. Social media and customer engagement apps. Foster stronger customer relationships and drive social media engagement with apps that integrate your store with popular social platforms and provide customer support tools. The beauty of Shopify's app ecosystem lies in its versatility and constant expansion. With new apps being added regularly, you can continuously enhance your store's capabilities, staying ahead of the curve and meeting the ever-evolving needs of your customers. This level of customization and flexibility empowers you to create a truly tailored online experience that sets your business apart from the competition. Shopify success stories. To further illustrate the power and versatility of Shopify, let's explore a few success stories of businesses that have thrived on this platform. Kylie Cosmetics. Founded by Kylie Jenner, this cosmetics powerhouse leveraged Shopify's scalability and advanced features to build a multi-million-dollar empire, processing over $1 billion in sales through its online store. MVMT Watches. Starting as a crowdfunded project, MVMT Watches utilized Shopify's seamless integration with social media platforms and influencer marketing strategies to grow into a global brand with over $100 million in sales. Allbirds. This sustainable footwear brand harnessed Shopify's flexibility and customization capabilities to create a unique online shopping experience that aligns with its eco-friendly values, attracting a loyal customer base and achieving rapid growth. In the ever-evolving landscape of e-commerce, Shopify stands as a powerful platform that empowers entrepreneurs and businesses to unlock their full potential. From its user-friendly interface and robust ecosystem to its scalability and extensive app integrations, Shopify offers a comprehensive solution for building, managing, and growing a successful online store. Shopify offers tools and resources for entrepreneurs and retailers to thrive in the digital marketplace. success in e-commerce is not just about great products, it's about creating a seamless, engaging online experience for customers.